Yeah. How you feel? You alright? No? What's wrong? What? Just don't go that fast. That's why I'm going fourth behind you. You're going third. Kyle's gonna lead the way. Matt's gonna go second.
Are we going this way or this way?
Straight. We also got my little brother out here today, Joe. Out for one of the first times on his KTM 200XC. That helped him get. Damn, does he ride slow? Jeez, Joe. Wow. We're a timid little bit. Follow me, alright? Follow me. So we're gonna leave my brother behind me so he can kind of follow my path. I'll try and go slower for him because he's going a little too slow. Rear brake. You see, the bike's not even on.
And once that tire goes sideways, it's gonna fall right down.
I've never seen anybody walk a bike downhill. There you go, buddy. You got it. Here, you know what? You know what you got to do? You need momentum. It's easier to ride a bigger bike. Go a little bit faster, and trust me, it's easier. Because you got to think, when you slow down, your bike hits the rocks and it goes into them. If you're going faster, you glide over them. You don't have to go 100 miles an hour, but just go a little bit faster than you're going. Trust me.
When you go downhill, like,
rear brake. Yeah, use mostly your rear brake. You can use the front too. And just go a little bit faster, trust me. It sounds scary, but if you go faster, it's easier. Stand up. Alright, sorry about that, guys. I had to watch my brother walk his bike down a hill. I don't think I've ever seen that done before. Whoa! There we go. There you go, buddy. You got it. Easy, easy. Say it's fine. If you do that, you just catch yourself. Wow, you can get that leg up pretty high there, boy.
That's a little natural. You just ride down the hill.
You can't walk it down the whole hill, Joe.
Yeah, you gotta get used to riding that thing.
Ride it, ride it. Ride it like it's yours. Hey, listen, you can do this. Remember that. Tell yourself you could do it, you could do it. You're overthinking it, trust me. Just ride. Yeah, what did you name her? Did you name her yet? No, you didn't name her. That's your problem. You're doing good. Keep it up, alright? Oh, down he goes again. Hold on, I'm coming. Guys, it's important when you start riding to help out those around you. A lot of times you got to figure it out by yourself, but don't be that person. Be someone that's going to help. You want this to be fun, not hard. You're in gear, Joe. Here, hold on, ready? Let me hop on. I'll get you out of this spot. You alright? Yeah. Take a second, catch your breath. This part's a little hard. After this, it gets a lot easier. Alright, hop on. Go around. See that right here? Curve around this way. Right on this first. See the rock with the moss on it in the middle? The one with the purple rock that's sticking up, go right to the left of that. Just go around and then follow the dirt trail, okay? You got it, alright? Give it more gas. It's not going to scare you like the old two-stroke. Try it now. You were stuck on a log. Try it now. You were on a log. Here, just go right here. There you go. Just like that. Keep gas, gas, gas. Keep going, keep going. Be patient with him, guys. He's learning. We're here to support. That's what bike life's about. See if you can do it. Yeah, there you go. Keep going, keep going. Yeah, attaboy. He's getting much better. Much better, good job. Want to go first or second? Kyle's gonna go first, and then either I'm gonna go or you're gonna go. What's easier? Okay.
I'll show you how it's done.
Alright, let's see what you learn. Come on, you got it. Let's see if he's got it. Send it, Joe, send it! So far, so good. Oh yeah, we're getting real muddy. Oh yeah, that's a nice one. Oh, he did pretty good over that. Just getting the hang of it. Oh, Kyle's going in the real mud. Not bad. No way. Yo, Kyle, what if you go around right there? There you go. Go ahead, Joe, let's see what you got. See what you learned. Come on, Joe! Right across. Gas it. Ah, he's stuck. Joe, lean right! Don't walk it. He's going the hard way. He should go to the right. Oh yeah, this river's a lot deeper than last time too. Alright, let's see how he does. Oh, and that answers that question. Hopefully he's alright. You okay? Yeah. You got him? Come on, buddy, go over it. Give it gas, give it gas. Nice. Give it gas. There you go, there you go. Nice job. Nothing like a two-stroke on the trail. Oh my gosh, look at that. He's got a whole tree. Why would you go through the mud? Go around it, bud. Look at him. He's starting to get some confidence. I like that. I'm proud of him. Before he had this bike, he had a 2000, or I'm sorry, he had a 1980 something, 84 I think, XT 125 4-stroke. Oh my gosh, change a spark plug every time he rode. That thing was so old and so clapped. So I convinced him to get a better bike, which I'm glad he did, because you know that riding was a little bit hard for him, but he's doing a good job. He's really picking up his pace, so I'm proud of him. Hey, when you ride too, when you stand on the balls of your feet by like right here, okay? It'll make it easier. How do you brake? You want to use mostly your rear. Your rear's going to lock up so you might slide. Use the front, use both, but use mostly your rear.
How do you ride, like this?
I like to do 3 fingers, 1 finger over, 3 over the clutch, and then 3 fingers, 1 finger over the brake. Here, push it up to here. I'll back up.
Oh.
Ready? Hold on. So brake, I do like that. Yes. It's hard for your fingers to get used to, but that's the way I feel safest. And it's the easiest to me, it's the most comfortable. So if you have someone else that feels better, you could do that, but that's the way I do it. And then when you stand, like I said, balls of your feet right where mine are, almost on your tiptoes, but right behind your tiptoes, all right? It'll give you the best balance. All right, so that's gonna do it for this one, guys, of teaching my younger brother how to ride. He did a great job today. I'm very proud of him. You should always be encouraging people around you. Don't discourage them, especially in the beginning. It's gonna be hard for them to adjust and learn. So just support them, let them know they're doing a good job and that they have to just keep trying, they'll keep getting better. Because his riding skills from the beginning of this ride to where we are now have gotten up so much, and I'm proud of him. So little brother, if you're watching this, good job, I'm proud of you. We'll keep riding, we'll keep getting better, all right? Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great day as always. Peace.